Alright, so I'm going through the code of the demo code of the ESP32 S3 dev board. This is the touchscreen with an IMU built into it and battery charger. This thing is a beast. I don't know if it's $30, like if that's a lot, but yeah, this thing has a lot of functionality. It's like dual core too. Anyway, alright, so right now this isn't mounted to the top here yet. I have to make a proto board where the 40-pin male header is under it, and then this is soldered and attached to it. I'll just use this double-sided tape and then some hot glue on the outside so that it's attached. I mean, you can design like a prettier snap clip thing that's a circle shape, but this is still like development. I don't have a lot of time to put into it, so I'm trying to get this all done in a day. And then most of the work is software. I have to like record a lot of footage and train a model for the ML part. So I started programming this, and look, my first button it's like wrong. I guess that's drawing a line, not a square. I drew like the corners and it, yeah, anyway. I think, let me see. Oh, it does work, okay. Yeah, I've got a basic, where do I click here? Oh, it's very small right there. I have to slow that down. So it has a 60 FPS refresh rate. That's how fast the things are running. So yeah, it's immediately flipping that state. Let's slow that down. So I've been working on this more, and right now I've got a basic like start-stop recording. You see over here, it's counting up seconds that have elapsed. So I gotta put that on here like as a large counter thing. That's a bit fast right there. Slow that down. I was having some problems with the like main loop delay time and then the screen refresh time. They're like separate, and then the actual time, which is, you know, in seconds. So I just went with like a global 1 millisecond ticker, and then, you know, you tap into it as you need. Like 1,000 is a second, 16 is 60 FPS, that kind of thing. I still have not gotten to the part where I bridge the Pi and this together, but it should be straightforward after I get this done. Alright, so I just reprogrammed it. There's the counter. Can it work? Can I kick it? Come on, contrast. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, so there's that. It looks like this is the biggest font size, 24. Because they're defined in the code. Let's see. Yeah, like literally mapped like that. That's like a ampersand, and this is font 24, which is the largest that I saw. Anyway, I mean, that's good enough. I guess I could make my own ASCII text or whatever I really wanted to. Well, the comments are ASCII, but anyways, yeah. Oh, let's see how it goes. One. Oh god, yep. That's my code. That sucks. Alright, I'll fix that. Alright, so a few hours later, just as a status check, I'm failing. I was able to bridge them together by serial, however, the data transmission and reading is not reliable. Like when you push start here, it sends the word start to here, which is a Python serial thing waiting to receive that. But it reads like a couple letters at a time. So I'm messing around with that still. I was gonna do like I2C, but the hardware I2C isn't exposed on this board. It is used to run like the IMU and the touchscreen on this display. But it has like 6 GPI opens, and I almost like bit banged I2C using the soft I2C library, but I kind of like abandoned that, and I guess I'm back to serial. So this is probably important. I remember when you enable serial, it has like SSH login through serial, and I happened to look at the serial monitor and it says Raspberry Pi login. So I'm probably like fighting that. Man, there it is. It's so good now. So I can get this. So B is byte string. Over there. What are you doing? Do is start, stop, start, stop. Yeah, that looks reliable to me. Boom. There's your primary communication right there. And I can still add the GPIO high, low, but I'll just see, that's the thing. I wanna. He's attacking the wire. I trained him bad. Hi, hi. Anyway, this is good. I'm finally unstuck. I'm gonna go ahead and solder the top board. Then it'll be a nice single unit thing. I'll charge this up too while I'm doing that. Man, I feel bad doing this. And it's crooked. No, it's pretty straight. Oh, I had to cut all those extra wires. I just decided to use serial primarily. The whole blocking thing isn't a huge concern because this thing is like start, stop, you know, and then the IMU recording only happens after you started. So, and then when you stay stop, it can just pick that up on the next run. Oh man, and it's so bulky too, man. Dang. You could lose some height there, but I do like the stack layer design. You can make a case for this too. I just keep thinking of like Ben 10. You like smack it, transform. I have to charge this because it's dead. Otherwise, I would turn it on. But my mouse is using my charging cable. Man, I don't like how I did this switch. Back is on. Should be forward. Oh my god. Look how bulky this thing is. Damn. Anyway, yeah, so there's the top, and you're like, start. It's recording. I don't have the file count yet. Actually curious how this looks. Does it pick it up? Okay, so here you can see that the thing is connecting to they're connected to each other via serial. Just SSH'd in. This is just a charging cable, it's not connected to the laptop. So let's start. There it is. Stop. Start. Stop. It's using a print line, so it makes a new line. That's what the RN is. Here you can see detach it. Still works. Start. Oh yeah, I gotta actually click it.